Hi everybody, welcome and thank you for tuning into StampTV. I'm Kristin Stampini and today I am here to share with you ideas on how businesses survive after the lockdown. Let's get started. Socialize online with your customers through social media. So, as to get moving through the pandemic, you have to assemble an association with your prospects and existing clients. What's more, what can be a superior platform to convey worth and forge relationships than social media? Increase the social media presence of your website, check in with your audiences, and show that you care and respond to the comments quickly and try to converse with your audience. Try video interactions to extend support to your audience at the time of ongoing certainty. And also create real estate value for your customers through blogs. Now that your sales have taken a backseat, possibly, make sure you are still offering something valuable to your customers through insightful and informative content on your blog page. You will not just increase your online presence, but also offer real value to your customers. Find logical connections, trending topics to show your customers that you are open for business by sharing content around your offerings and re-optimize your previous blogs to stay relevant for those keywords in which are likely to bounce back post lockdown later, and reuse and repackage your previous blogs in video formats to capture the reader's attention. Replace offline events with live streaming and webinars. Last-minute cancellations and backouts from offline events were widely seen. So how are these businesses networking with prospects in the time of lockdown? Virtual meetups through live streams and webinars have quickly replaced offline events. This is where small businesses can tap on-market opportunities with reduced costs. You can host how-to product tutorial videos, training and workshop videos will attract a lot of audience. TED-style talks and interviews with industry experts will be quite relevant for your audience. You can also create quickly videos about how your employees are staying connected in times after isolation. And you know what? Give your website a design refresh. That's a perfect time. During any normal business day, diverting your limited resources towards website updates may not be very smart decision, or you just might not have a lot of time. But now your employees have enough time, if they're still at home, thinking outside the box and update your website, possibly if you haven't, with more relevant information, images of small business ideas. Identify your priorities and map those with the design of your existing website. Redefine your website's target audience and find out what's working for you in brand and customers. Make a list of design changes to be done on your website. So, what are the things? Number 5 is help your employees upskill with free online courses during lockdown, after lockdown, if you're still at home. Popular e-learning platforms, different things, and there's so much out there in free education. Why not encourage employees, if they're working from home, to enroll in these courses and upskill themselves? From digital marketing courses to data analytics, coding, programming, languages courses, in psychology, photography. Your employees have plenty to learn and support small business ideas. Many people still have to be at home because of their kids, even though we're back to work. Share the concerns with your staff that you may have. You might feel the weight of your staff's salary at the time, but they are the ones who help you take businesses ahead and post. Later, we're just about a month and a half out of lockdown. So after all, you can sail through the situation as a team and not alone. Tell your employees what you're feeling. A lot of them are going to just jump on and want to help. Take a small break from worrying every day. The situation may look worse, full of turmoil currently, but don't let the worries overwhelm you for things that you can't control. Share your concerns with your loved ones, watch your favorite movies, join some online classes to improve your entrepreneurial skills. Just let this phase end slowly, silently, and rebound with your small business ideas. So that's it for today's episode, and thank you so much for joining. Reach out to me anytime. I'm a small business owner, owning multiple businesses, and going through this pandemic has been challenging for us, but we figured out a way to work through it. So I'd love to help you too. Subscribe. Also click the bell icon. Please leave a comment. Thumbs up. Can't wait to see you next week. Bye.